Hi gardeners, welcome back to Winter's Craft Garden. It is a blizzard outside, so I am going to be making a blizzard in a jar. These are the ingredients that you will need. Glitter, it's optional. You'll need white paint, baby oil, Alka-Seltzer tabs, and a jar. You don't really need goggles for this, but I just like them. Goodbye, mailbox. Thanks for the ingredients. Alright, since I'm going to be making 2 blizzards, I'm going to need 2 jars. First, we're going to take the baby oil and put half in the jar. So satisfying. I think a little more would be okay. It smells like baby powder. Just a little more. Next, you're gonna take paint and water and mix them together. I love paint. And you're gonna need some water. Now you're gonna take your popsicle stick and mix it. I wanna touch it so badly. This looks like paper mache, like what you would do to it. Why is it so bubbly? Bubbly. Bubbly. Now you're gonna pour these together. Is that It looks like jelly. I want to reach down and touch it. Touch. Touch. It looks rocky. I have 2 mountains. Now, glitter! 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. Cha 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 cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. It looks so pretty. Now for the Alka-Seltzer. It's happening! What? I broke it. Now for the next one. That's a lot of light. Look. gardeners, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! Stay warm in this crazy blizzard! Bye, gardeners! Now I can finally play outside.
Oh, there you go.